you need some help? What's that? What's that? Pull it out. Pull it out.
Oh,
it's a slipper. Looky. You got some slippers to keep your feet warm. Look at that. Now you can play with your own slippers instead of Grandpa's. See what else is in there? Reach in there. Here. Reach in there.
Let him try to reach in again, I think.
I'm trying to. I was trying to get him interested.
There we go. Yeah, like those banana chips or apple cinnamon chips you kept reaching in for.
Looky there. Got a car. He's sweet.
Just laying against the pillow.
What else is in here? Can you see what else? Is there anything else in there? Oopsie daisies. See what else is in there? See what else? See what else is in there? Is there anything else? I think there is. What's in there? It's another car. I bet there's some more in there. You got a whole set of cars. Anything else?
Oh my goodness.
You just got a whole garage full of cars now.
This is
Yeah, but there's some more in here.
He's trying to put his face on the slipper.
Is there anything else in there? Let's see if we can get down here. This is a big stocking. Can you get it? Something's piece little stuff. Yeah, there you go. Pull it out. What is this? Look. Stuck, isn't it? Here. There you go. There you go. Looky what that is. Now you can color. You got some nice toys here, Liam. I guess that's it. Santa Claus, you don't need any, go in the other room now. You got all you can eat right here.